This 2008 Gulfstream Crescendo 40L is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Crescendo RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Gulfstream is 40 feet 6 inches in length and features sleep 6, refrigerator, LP detector, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, self-contained, external shower, smoke detector, slide-out, air conditioning, skylight, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher RV features bunk beds, full wall slide. This 2008 Gulfstream Crescendo 40L is built on a Workhorse R-Series chassis and is powered by a Caterpillar engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Crescendo RV.